How to hide comments on Instagram. Instagram is a great platform for sharing moments and engaging with your followers. However, sometimes the comment section can get a little out of hand. So, whether you are dealing with spam, negativity, or just want a more curated interaction, hiding comments can help maintain a positive vibe. So, here is a quick guide on how to do it. First of all, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and then tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. On this section, you have to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then you will get access to the settings and activity page. First thing you have to do is tap on account privacy and then turn on the private account button so that when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share. Also, the followers can only be able to comment on your post. The other thing you have to do is come back from this page and then select the option of comments. And now here you need to tap on block comments from, and then you can easily block any commenters who you find on one date and don't want to allow them to comment on your post or anything you post on Instagram. Also, if you want to hide comments on a specific post, you can easily go ahead to your profile and see any post where you want to hide the comments. So let's open it, and once you open any particular post, tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on turn off commenting. Once you have done that, the comments will be hidden and no one will be able to comment on that particular post. So by managing your comments, you can ensure that your Instagram feed remains a welcoming and enjoyable place for you and your followers. So, in this way, you can easily hide comments on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.